G'day everyone and welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 8, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. First off on the daily, it came down and we drew this minor support at 23.02 and that's down near the 78% of that larger Fibonacci range. This support down here is at 22.11 and resistance up here at 25.01. So it looks like it might have a bit of a bounce after having a bit of a bearish outlook in the last few days at least. If you look at here as well, the CCI has dropped down near the oversold area and is starting potentially to turn up. And the Stochastic down here, let me maximize that, is also turned down and reaching the midpoint, or we actually crossed the midpoint and approaching the moving average of that Stochastic indicator. So looking bearish, but there might be a bit of a bounce here, and let's look at the hourly to see what it's doing on the hourly. We did draw this minus support at 23.02 and we drew a Fibonacci down to that point there in our last video, and that was based on this bullish divergence on the CCI. You can see there the CCI is still advancing. The price has declined ever so slightly and we're going to adjust that Fibonacci in a minute, but you notice also the Stochastic has dropped down past the oversold territory and we may see a bit of a bounce from here. We did project this bullish divergence on the CCI and projected this target area which is between the 23 and the 38% level. So let's just readjust that Fibonacci down to this new low, to that high. You can see there the target has not really changed much. So if we move that target area down to the 23 to the 38, it's still probably going to hit around the level of about 23.51 at the minimum. If it bounces from there, it looks like it is. So just keep that divergence is still valid. In other words, so long as that CCI remains above that area there, that divergence will be valid and we're going to keep an eye on it. Of course, it can always drop and break down below that again, so we'll just keep an eye on it and see how it goes. And of course, if it breaks much higher than the 61% level, then we're looking at a reversal in the longer term. So at the moment, we'll just keep an eye on it in the short term and expect it to hit this area in the coming hours. So to understand how to trade using the trend trading strategy or even the divergence strategy, support us more on the Patreon page where we look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like, share the channel, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.